protected AKA Santa Claus here.
I'm scared of ghosts.
We have Ryan, AKA Santa Claus, and Black Wolf. Boy, must have done a big gun.
I love chicken parm. Good for you, man.
I feel that guy. I love chicken parm too.
Where you going? Where the fuck could the man anything? You couldn't see him. Ooh.
Here we go.
This is dark.
Yeah, this is the one that was down. Really cold down here.
These are the tunnels I went in. Oof.
There's Landon. Oh, no, it's just raindrops.
Hell room's right here.
I don't like my flashlight. It's such a low glow. If I see anything, I don't want to see like.
There used to be a Slender Man painting right there on that wall. So when you walk in this room, that's the first thing you see is that
That's
fucking.
sketchy as fuck.
Yeah, first time I came in here, it was kind of sketchy. Uncle D. Oh, I was like, go this way first. I'll come with you.
I just humans just naturally don't like dark places.
I'm caved in. That's fucked.
Who's that?
What?
I'm just kidding. Oh, you have two flashlights on right now?
What?
You have two flashlights on?
Yeah, I have my phone camera on and normal flashlight.
Anybody right here? Oh yeah, look at that. Those highlighted colors look kind of cool.
Do what?
Here's one up there.
What the fuck, Uncle B?
Let me see. Go big. Here, let me see that flashlight.
Nigger.
Uncle B? You in that room over there, wanna come?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh shit, there's like a whole other room right here.
Damn. I don't think I've been on this side. What? Dude, I've never been in this part of Fort Werherill.
Oh man, you ready?
What's down there?
Is that a tunnel?
Yeah. This is not fucking sketchy.
Anybody in here?
This is not the beginning of a
Damn, dude, there's so much water.
This is not the beginning of a horror movie.
Shit.
Oh shit, yo. Let me see that flashlight. Oh, we cover our backs. This is sketchy as fuck.
Yeah, fuck.
It keeps going.
Yeah, no, they go for a while. Dude, there's so much water in this place.
Yeah.
Fuck this.
Wow, that's deep.
Yeah, fuck
I don't
this.
like tall, small tunnels like this. I'm gonna be the fucking.
Nate's got shoes on. Let's go in a different one of these.
Yeah, we can't go in this one because it's even going over my shoes.
Damn, yeah, I can see that.
It's deep. Anybody in here?
Why are you right here?
Hello?
Don't say that. There you come this way again.
Hello? I want to see around the camera.
Let me see that shit.
Sketched out.
Yeah. I don't like fucking, what do you call it?
Okay, this
With this, with tunnels like this, it's fucking, what do you call it? There's only one way in, one way out. I don't like that. I like having multiple options to escape.
I've never seen it here before.
I'm going this way.
No, this way.
Never been in here.
Oh, he's going through the tunnels.
Oh, it is?
He's going more tunnels, yeah. Yeah, we got Medusa painting right there.
Medusa?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
creepy as fuck. Oh shit.
What?
I was tripped.
Fuck this shit. I mean, that shit up there. I've never seen this clock though.
I know, this is cool. We're in the collapse side.
Look at the Nazi symbol. Nazi symbol right there, Nazi symbol right there, Nazi symbol right there. Nazi symbols everywhere, yeah. You hear that? Was that you guys?
Shh.
I thought I heard someone exit. Exhale like really loud.
Let's go.
But yeah, take pictures everywhere. If you see orbs in the picture, then they're supposed to. There's mad alcohol here, say that.
This is so weird. Can you see I have a flashlight real quick?
I never knew that was over.
Slap down there, shit.
Hold it.
Huh?
Over there.
Go to that hell room, I guess. We should just come here one night and spray paint. And just like write 666 everywhere. Write random words on the wall. Over and over again.
Fixing the ceiling.
All the fucking rusted old pipes.
Step in.
Lower the ammunition down.
Step into hell.
Just throw in the fucking flashlight first.
They kept the ammunition.
Both sides. Hello. I'm copying you.
Ow, shit. Oh, I just fucking. Ah. I just fucked up my ankle.
That's not good.
Hello?
Point the light off. Like it'll give us more light like that for sure. Yeah.
Not the
On that I have this fucking plastic. Although they don't check out the hell room. It's actually warm in here. Can't see your breath. Stay away.
You wanna go in one of these tunnels?
Is there this tiny?
No, you only the little entrance is tiny as fuck. You wanna be in the middle?
I don't want to be in the fucking back. Yeah, right? I feel like you have to have go. You go, dude. I'll watch our back. This would be a great place for a haunted place.
Anybody want to talk to us?
Yo, what is this so weird?
Like the clock. Any ghosts in here? Hello? Hello? It's me.
Just take a look behind you. What if something was coming from that way? I'd be the first one fucked.
Shit.
What?
I don't know, I didn't realize there was like water right there.
Oh shit.
Where do you want to go?
There's two different ways.
Yeah, that way or this way.
Yo, let me see that part.
Whatever way leads us in deeper.
Yeah, the way it goes, that's the way you're following me.
Can we smoke some weed in here?
I think we can.
We're a bunch of maces, yo.
Keep going.
Yo, Uncle D.
Yo, go
We straight up just heard a legit fucking bang behind us, dude.
I'll go with this one. Fuck that.
Dude, we literally just heard a bang behind us. Dude, there was 2 bangs behind us.
Like,
Shh,
dude,
shh,
that's
shh,
fucking-
shh, shh.
You get it on recorder?
Yeah, dude.
We will.
Down this way. Shh, 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 shh. Everyone be quiet. If there's something here, make another noise. Bang on something. Dude, I can't believe.
look at the stalagmites on the rock.
It's stalactites, dude. It looks like foam.
Yeah, right? That's pretty cool. That happens over here, too.
that's good cave in right there.
A cave-in would not be something I want right now.
Alright, let's go that way.
Alright.
Here you go, Nate.
Come on. Flashlight. Like, I want to see what I'm stepping.
Drip down my neck.
Back to where the noise came from.
Yeah, I'm running.
That was so fucking sketchy.
Maybe it was them.
Yeah, we had heard them talking when they came in.
What? They got too scared, they let their flashlight be on.
Damn.
Damn, that's too scary. Why would they leave that?
Why would they leave all their bottles and booze?
We never went that way.
It's an arrow, I think.
Damn, I'm still in the back. What the fuck is this shit?
Oh, I'm gonna touch it.
Now, if you shut that off, does it hold that video you took?
Yeah.
Oh, so I go
I'm
back
recording these videos, yeah.
in. Yeah, when I shut it off.
What?
See those eyes over there?
Yeah. Raining.
Ah, right there.
Ooh.